Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can calculate distance-based shipping rates in the WooCommerce. So the first step that you have to do is to install distance-based shipping plugin. So just go to the WordPress admin and then tap on the plugins and click on add new. So from there, just search for WooCommerce distance rate, shipping, or similar plugin and install it. Next is get a Google Maps API key from the Google Cloud Console. So in the WooCommerce, you click on the settings, tap on the shipping, and in there you have to enter the API key to enable distance calculations. Next step is to set your origin address. So from there, you just have to enter your warehouse or store address as the shipping origin point. So this will be the used to calculate distances to customer destinations. Next is to create shipping rules based on the distance ranges. So let's say, for example, 0 to 10 miles is equals to $5, or 10 miles to 25 miles is equals to $10. So it depends on you, so you can set rate per mile or fixed rates per distance bracket. Lastly is to test the shipping calculator. So you can place a test order with different addresses to verify the rates calculate correctly. So you can adjust the settings as needed for the accurate pricing. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!